السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Alhamdulillah والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. I'm here, Alhamdulillah, on the lower floor, right next to the Kaaba, Alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alameen. And Alhamdulillah, the steps as you come into the masjid as usual. You walk with your right foot and you say the dua of entering any masjid, and that is Bismillah wa salatu wa salam ala Rasulillah. Allahumma aftah li ababa rahmatik. And then you walk, and the minute you see the Kaaba, you say Allahumma anta salam wa minka salam fahayyina rabbana bis salam. And take a moment, take your time, and make lengthy dua. Take your time to make a lengthy dua, because the Prophet ﷺ said that this is one of those places and times where the dua is answered. Should you make any dua, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will answer it. So it is important that you take a moment and make a lengthy dua for yourself, for your loved ones, for the whole ummah of the Prophet ﷺ. The minute you finish your dua, then you walk and you start. For the men, before they start TAWAF, and this is a course exclusive to Umrah, not for Hajj, not for extra voluntary TAWAF. You uncover your right shoulder throughout the whole duration of your 7 laps. The minute you finish, then you cover your shoulder before you walk over to pray 2 rak'ahs anywhere in the masjid, preferably behind Maqam Ibrahim, where you have that small dome. You probably see it back there in that corner, right there next to the Kaaba. But if you can't find a space there, then anywhere. Obviously, walk away from area where people are making tawaf, because it is not only is it dangerous to be kind of stepped over, but it is absolutely not responsible to do something like that. But anyway, you go also after you finish your Alhamdulillah 2 rak'ahs, you drink Zamzam, and then you walk over to Sa'i and do the Sa'i, meaning the laps between Safa and Marwa. We'll get to it inshallah, and we'll do a special video just for that. But for now, once you finish your dua, after you finish your dua inshallah, when you see the Kaaba, you finish with your dua, you go ahead and go to the black stone corner. And it is usually designated by green lights on the wall. I mean, it's right after Dhuhr. You probably don't see the light in there, but it's a green light to designate exactly where black stone is, because as you can see, the circle can easily confuse anybody who is making tawaf around the Kaaba, and you would not know which corner is which. So the green light on the wall indicates exactly where the black stone is, and it's easier for you to know. And the reason why it is important to know that, because the corner before the black stone corner, the corner that I'm zooming on right now is the black stone corner. The one before it is actually called the Yemeni corner. So every time you get to the Yemeni corner, you're supposed to say رَبَّنَا آتِنَا فِي الدُّنْيَا حَسَنَةً وَفِي الْآخِرَةِ حَسَنَةً وَقِنَا عَذَابَ النَّارِ, until you get to the black stone. Now, in the beginning of every lap, you wave to the black stone, you face it like this, wave to it and say Allahu Akbar. In the first one you say Bismillah, Allahu Akbar. The rest you just